Good evening, students. This is Harry sir, and today here I am going to teach you something about grammar part. Actually, uh, from a few days, most of my students ask me, "Sir, what is participles? Sir, please make us understand participles properly." Though you have already taught us, you have already made us learn what is participle, but still, I whenever I'm trying to practice, I'm facing problem. There is some confusion, so please, sir, do something for this clarification. That's why today I'm here. I'm going to teach you participles. Let me teach you once again that actually participles, these are this thing, this part of grammar is very easy. It is important as well, very very important. And what what I can say is that participle is easy like water. How? Let's know. Okay, let's start without wasting any time. Participles, it says that participles are forms of verbs which partake of the nature of, partake means take part. Okay, participate means takes part of the nature of both an adjective and adverb. Okay, it means that in short we can say that participles act both as an adjective and a verb. It plays the role both of an adjective and a verb. How? Let's see. Now the classification, they are of two classes: present participle and present participle and past or perfect participles. Let me tell you that present participle express an action which is going on, and the action is not complete, it is going on, and the words, with the words ing should be added. Ing should be added to the word, means you will find ing words like charming scenery. Here charming, ing is added. Rolling stone, ing is added. Okay, and here speeding car, ing is added. So these words, these participles express that the things are going on. Okay, and these words describe the noun, and we know it is adjective. So here, this is the witness of the definition that participles act as an adjective. Okay, next classification is past or perfect participle. Okay, past and perfect participle express a complete action, the action which has been taken place. Okay, means it has already been taken place, means a complete action. Here the action is going on. For present participle, the action is going on, and for the case of past or perfect participle, it expresses a complete action, and these words should be added with ed, d, t, en or n. As an example, broken, en is there. Broken calf. Lost, t is there. Health. Learned, man, learned, ed is there. Okay, so these are also playing the role as an adjective. So this is how, student, you have to understand that participles play the role of an adjective and a verb. It can be divided into two parts, two kinds. These are two kinds. These are of two kinds: present participle and past participle. Present participles should be added with ing word, and these should be added with these letters like ed, t, d, en or n. Okay, thank you. I hope I have made you understand properly. Okay, bye bye.